Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth on your phone and opening the Alexa app. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and account. Once done, wake the Echo and say, "Alexa, pair," or go to Devices, Echo in the app, and choose Bluetooth devices. This places the speaker into discoverable mode so your phone can find it. You do this now because initiating pairing from Alexa avoids repeated manual searches. It tells the Echo to accept a new connection immediately. Next, switch to your phone's Bluetooth list and select the Echo model shown. It typically appears as Echo XXX. If you use the Alexa app, tap Pair New Device under the Echo's Bluetooth settings and then confirm on your phone. Make sure to allow media/audio permissions so streaming works. Once paired, the phone and Echo exchange profiles for AVIC and A2DP so audio controls and volume work properly. You want that so play, pause, and seek behave just like a wired speaker. Finally, test by playing music or a podcast and say, "Alexa, pause" to verify control. Make sure the phone's audio output is set to the Echo if needed. Apps sometimes revert to phone speakers. To end the session, say, "Alexa, disconnect," or use your phone's Bluetooth menu. If pairing fails, power cycle both devices and delete previous Echo entries from your phone's Bluetooth list. This clears stale profiles and usually fixes connectivity issues quickly. So try that next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.